Ever feel like your business banking is designed for, well, someone else's business? Like it's stuck in some corporate boardroom, completely oblivious to the real-world chaos of running a small business, a freelance gig, or a startup. You know, the constant juggling act, the late-night invoices, the sheer, unrelenting hustle. Yeah, me too. And I bet a lot of you watching this have felt that same frustration. We're talking about clunky interfaces, hidden fees, support that feels like talking to a brick wall, and a general sense that your bank doesn't actually get what you're going through. Think about it. You're trying to build something, to create value, to make your mark. But instead of being a partner, your bank feels like another obstacle. Another hurdle to jump. That's the gap NorthOne is trying to fill. And today, we're diving deep into exactly what services they provide, how they work, and whether they're the right fit for your business. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. The world of small business banking is changing rapidly. We're seeing a surge in digital-first solutions, a move away from traditional brick-and-mortar branches, and a growing demand for tools that are intuitive, efficient, and tailored to the unique needs of entrepreneurs. Why? Because the way we do business is changing. The rise of the gig economy, the proliferation of online businesses, and the increasing reliance on technology have created a new landscape. And frankly, the old guard isn't keeping up. So, what does this have to do with NorthOne? Well, they're part of this wave of change. They're a digital bank account built specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and startups. And they're aiming to simplify the financial aspects of running a business so you can focus on what you do best. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. What services does NorthOne actually provide? At its core, NorthOne offers a business checking account. But it's not just any checking account. It's designed to be a central hub for your business finances, integrating with the tools you already use and providing features that are tailored to the challenges of modern entrepreneurship. First and foremost, it's a digital-first experience. You can manage your account entirely through their mobile app or web platform. This means no more waiting in line at the bank, no more dealing with paper statements, and no more wasting time on tedious administrative tasks. Think about the sheer convenience of being able to check your balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and manage your spending from anywhere, at any time. This level of accessibility is crucial for busy entrepreneurs who are constantly on the go. But it's not just about convenience. NorthOne also focuses on transparency and simplicity. They're upfront about their fees, and they avoid the hidden charges that plague many traditional banks. This means you know exactly what you're paying for, and you can budget accordingly. One of the key features that sets NorthOne apart is its integration with popular accounting and payment platforms. They seamlessly connect with tools like QuickBooks, Xero, Stripe, and Square, allowing you to automate your bookkeeping and streamline your financial workflows. This integration is a game changer for small businesses. Imagine being able to automatically reconcile your transactions, track your expenses, and generate financial reports with just a few clicks. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors and ensures that your financial records are always accurate and up to date. Another important service NorthOne provides is their focus on budgeting and expense management. They offer tools that allow you to create budgets, track your spending, and categorize your transactions. This helps you gain a clear understanding of your cash flow and make informed decisions about your finances. They also offer features like envelopes, which allow you to set aside funds for specific expenses, such as taxes, payroll, or marketing. This helps you stay organized and avoid overspending. Furthermore, NorthOne provides a MasterCard debit card that can be used for online and in-person purchases. This card also allows you to withdraw cash from ATMs within their network. And speaking of cash, NorthOne allows cash deposits at over 90,000 partner locations. This is a crucial feature for businesses that deal with cash transactions, providing a convenient way to deposit funds without having to visit a traditional bank branch. Now, let's talk about customer support. NorthOne understands that when you're running a business, you need reliable support that's available when you need it. They offer support through email and in-app chat, providing quick and efficient assistance with any questions or issues you may have. They also have a robust help center that provides answers to common questions and troubleshooting guides. But perhaps one of the most compelling aspects of NorthOne is their focus on serving specific industries. They recognize that different businesses have different needs, and they've tailored their services to meet the unique requirements of various sectors, such as e-commerce, construction, and professional services. For example, they offer features that are particularly useful for e-commerce businesses, such as integrations with popular payment gateways and tools for managing online sales. They also provide features that are beneficial for construction businesses, such as tools for tracking project expenses and managing invoices. This industry-specific approach demonstrates NorthOne's commitment to understanding the needs of their customers and providing them with the tools they need to succeed. Let's also address the security aspects. NorthOne is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000. They also employ advanced security measures to protect your account and data, including encryption and fraud detection. In essence, NorthOne provides a comprehensive suite of banking services that are designed to simplify the financial aspects of running a small business. They offer a digital-first experience, seamless integrations with popular tools, robust budgeting and expense management features, and reliable customer support. But is it right for you? That depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or startup looking for a digital-first banking solution that simplifies your finances and integrates with your existing tools, then NorthOne is definitely worth considering. However, if you prefer a traditional brick-and-mortar bank with a wide range of in-person services, then you may want to explore other options. Ultimately, the best banking solution is the one that meets your unique needs and helps you achieve your business goals. And remember, the financial landscape is always evolving. New tools, new technologies, and new challenges are constantly emerging. So, it's important to stay informed and adapt to the changing environment. Do your research, compare your options, and choose the banking solution that's right for you. With that said, thanks